direct is managed, and indirect is the Wild West. So let's build systems for the undermanaged spend or the unmanaged spend. Let's focus on the tail. We can automate that. And so this is a quick definition of what Spec to Scale is. It's a direct materials operating system that bridges between spec management and design. The PLM with the transactional manufacturing systems, ERP and MRP. And so Spec to Source is your defining your specifications, whether this is CAS numbers for chemicals or CAD for automotive or recipes for food or specifications even for strategic indirect like travel and logistics. Source to supply. We're selecting suppliers, then we're ramping them up, we're getting them ready for industrialization, we're preparing for production, and then supply to scale. That transition point is the start of production, then we're managing growth, which applies a lot of pressure to the system, long-term supply management, and the ongoing life cycle topics, whether it be risk or continuous cost down, index adjustment, FX. The world doesn't end just because we've launched the product. We update the spec. Finance asks, why did the price change, up or down or left, right? And eventually it ends up being 500 to 2,000 emails just to figure out who's the right supplier, what's the right spec, is that price fair, and that's just the start. So we say, let's bring this into a single pane of glass. This is LightSource. PLM, LightSource, ERP. Procurement teams that engage with Spec to Scale and have employed it, we find that they're able to meaningfully reduce their bill of materials spend by 3 to 15%. They're also able to increase their actual sourcing cycle, which allows them to bring products to market faster. And then this doesn't get talked about enough, but happiness both on the buying side and supply side. I think software, in my view and our view as a company, should be a tool of the mind to help people do more and live better, not to add additional frustration to their already complicated lives.